Welcome to the presentation of Nuvia, Carpigiani's next generation whipped cream machine, designed for those seeking the highest quality and flexibility in every preparation. Thanks to the newly designed stainless steel pump, the numerous air adjustments, and the innovative compact and high-performance texturizer, Nuvia ensures excellent overrun control and superior quality. The integrated inverter makes the machine extremely versatile, able to adapt to different product volumes and a variety of products, such as whipped cream, mousse, semifreddos, or other creamy preparations. The side opening of the lid makes the tank refilling quick, convenient, and safe, while the 2.4-inch LCD display provides all the necessary information, from product temperature to machine status and any alarms. In addition to manual dispensing, it is possible to preset 3 different portion sizes via the display for perfect dosing: small, medium, and large portions, optimizing service operations. Daily cleaning is even simpler thanks to the Cleaning in Place CIP system, which allows you to avoid fully disassembling all the machine components every day, saving time with just 3 quick and intuitive steps guided by the display. When a complete cleaning is required, the pump and texturizer are completely removable for thorough cleaning, while the tank and nozzle can be easily detached, ensuring maximum hygiene. Nuvia is synonymous with sustainability. The machine uses an eco-friendly CO2-based refrigerant that reduces environmental impact without compromising performance. Thanks to advanced electronics and the inverter, energy consumption is optimized, making Nuvia the ideal choice for those seeking high-quality products while respecting the environment. With the Teorema remote monitoring system, productivity is always under control. Diagnostics and assistance are available online to ensure uninterrupted operation. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you choose the right equipment. You can find the contact information of your local Carpigiani distributor as well as more info at �carpigiani.com.